In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram story stuck uploading. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your Instagram account. So launch your Instagram app, navigate to settings and privacy page. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down, then navigate to the option logout. After you log out, wait for a few minutes and log in back. Now you can try to upload your story. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, select the option remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Now launch your app store or play store, search for the app Instagram, then download it. Now try to upload the story. If none of these solutions work for you, launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to settings and activity page, head over to the option help. Then scroll down, click on the option report a technical problem. Then click on the option report problem without shaking. Click on done, include and continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to upload story or it is being stuck while uploading and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.